The source factory of the packaging machine is right to find me. The business scope of Huacheng S bag-type powder packaging machine covers domestic and foreign countries. The professional marketing team provides one-on-one service and formulates a considerate plan for each customer. We use high quality and high standard accessories to assemble the machines. Sample machines are placed in the factory. You can inspect the working efficiency of the machines on site and choose the right packaging machine. To buy a packaging machine, our Huacheng source factory is professional and reliable.